Yes, I put it on now. It's there like that. So no way it's gonna go off. So, and testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can move around because I put it on the can, the GH4, and now you can move around. It's not too bad. Okay. That one go off. Put on the side. It's about the noise. Shoulder like that. It's omnidirectional, so it works in all directions. Somewhere close to you, it's fine. Some furry thing like that, but it's alright. It's hide underneath there. The head you look funny, but it's hiding. It's hiding the thing. That's why you need a lavalier just to hide stuff. You look funny like that. It's a souvenir. When you want a good audio, that's what you do. You clip on your head, it works fine. But usually you put on here, that's the distance. Usually distance, that kind of width, okay, like that. Mouth and chest right here. Put under. So you want to hide it? I'll put it underneath my shirt. How guys doing? Yeah, I put it under my shirt right now, so you hide it. Move around. Hopefully not any clothing sound. Yeah, but you can hear it. Right. Yeah, so that's problem solved. Easy solved. No more hair pulling. Do another test with the cheap lavalier that I had. Okay, let's see how's the sound, the quality of that. Okay, but from what I test in my testing, the Raw Wireless Go microphone is quite decent. So now it has the unbreakable, undetachable super glue wind fur. Problem solved. Okay, I'll change this to this mic here and see what happens. Yeah, I'm back. There you go. Plug it in already. The cheap lavalier mic that I have. So now clip it on your belt, and I hide it here. This is omnidirectional, so it doesn't matter where you hide it. So I hide it in my cap like that, but it's not very discreet. So but dependent. But this angle, okay, I'm sure that this angle will hide it. It doesn't stand out like much. Because like that, it will stand out, right? But I hide like this, talking to you guys. Who knows? No wiring. Clip on the belt, hide it somewhere. So testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the cheap, no unbrand, yeah, lavalier. Has that sound to compared to the bare wireless Go microphone. Okay, which is a cheap one. You get a better microphone, could be different results. Okay, yeah. So I'm thinking of getting a quality microphone, lavalier mic, just for future. Just you want to get a better audio recording. Yeah, but. Yeah, I put back the furry thing. Yeah, so right here, clip belt like that. Yeah, how's that sound compared to the other one? Good, better? Leave me a comment. Yeah, but I tested it out, quite good, I sang a song with this song. Sounds alright. I haven't done any EQ. I don't have I haven't used any computing software to edit my photos. Real, professional way of I'm learning. So hopefully in the future I'll get better with audio. So I sound like really dramatic, really good for you guys. I will melt your heart. He sounds so good. He sounds so good. It's melt my heart. Okay, I'll sing you a song. And before I leave, okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. How's it sound? Good? Better? Okay. Pop star, time lapse nuts. Travis, the pop star coming up in your TV somewhere soon. Too old for that. No, but that's alright. You used to be a very good karaoke singer. Yeah, I love karaoke. Alright, Travis here. I'll see you next time with another tutorial video, tips. Okay. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Okay, I'll see you next time.